friends, I'm Melanie from melaniecooks.com, and today I will be cooking these tricolor carrots in the oven. So here I have a pack of carrots of many colors from Trader Joe's. So they're called tricolor carrots. You can also call them rainbow carrots. So since they're baby carrots, they're already pre-washed, cut and peeled, so don't need to wash them. I just take them out of their packaging, and I'm going to add them to my non-stick baking sheet lined with parchment paper for easy cleanup. Before making this video, I already preheated my oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. So to roast them in the oven, it's super simple. I'll toss them in some olive oil. So you can just drizzle them with oil. And just toss the color. And then sprinkle them with seasonings of your choice. I'm going to keep it simple and just sprinkle with a little bit of salt and pepper. And now I'm going to put them in the oven. So the oven is preheated to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. And bake them until they're tender enough to your liking. These carrots have been baking for 45 minutes and now they're ready. Take a look. Wow, they look amazing. Perfectly cooked, tender, tricolor carrots. Looks so good. I do recommend piercing the largest carrot with a fork just to make sure they're tender enough to your liking, because the cooking time really depends on how big the carrots are. Also differs from one oven to another. And these are baby carrots. You can do this exact same recipe with regular carrots. Just make sure you wash and peel them before tossing with oil and seasonings, and you bake them the exact same way. They might take a little bit longer or the same time, just depends on the size of the pieces. But this was a perfect time for these carrots from my oven. And they're ready. Look how good they look. I'm going to take them out. This parchment paper makes it so easy. Just transfer them to the plate. Perfect. Look how good they look. So healthy too. And now let's try them. I'm so excited about trying it. Look how tender. They're so delicious, super tender, and roasting them brings out this deeply roasted, slightly sweet flavor. They're so tasty, and best of all, they're healthy and good for you. Give them a try, you will love them. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!